Major funding for Splash and Bubbles Nature Cat is provided by the Van Eekeren family, founders of Land of Frost, Walt Disney World, and APTR, Association for Prevention, Teaching, and Research, Aldi, the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin, the Rose Hills Foundation, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Department of Education, and by Warner Bros. Discovery. Porter Pop, songs managed by Porter Pop, Samsung, and contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you!